Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing well by the grace of God. Are you enjoying the maths class? This term, most of the portions are from geometric part. Understand? Theorems are there and the converse of the theorems are there. Study that theorems only. No need of studying that proof. In this year, they avoid that proof portion. Understand? Only study the statement and do the problems. Simple problems. That instruction is given from the council. Only study simple problems relating that chapters. Understand? From congruency of triangles and this midpoint theorem, and the next topic is intercept theorem, like that. Therefore, study the statement and do the problems. Okay, here the chapter is midpoint theorem, isn't it? What's midpoint theorem? In a triangle, we know that a triangle is there and we take the midpoints of any two sides. Then what's the midpoint theorem says? The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides is parallel to the third side and that side is half of the third side. That is midpoint theorem. Understand? Today I am going to explain intercept theorem. Next topic from this is intercept theorem. Write down that. Intercept theorem. Write the definition. If a transversal makes equal intercepts on three or more parallel lines, if a transversal makes equal intercepts on three or more parallel lines, comma, then any other line cutting them will also make equal intercepts. What this theorem says? If you draw a transversal, when we draw the transversal, two parallel lines are there, then only we can draw transversal. If I will explain intercept theorem. Listen. These are three parallel lines. What are the parallel lines? AB, CD and EF are three parallel lines. Understand? If you draw a transversal, what is the meaning transversal? That is a line passing through these three lines. That is the meaning transversal. Now look here. Here one portion AC is there, isn't it? And CE also there. The theorem says these two intercepts are equal. If you select the first intercept AC equal to 5, then C is also 5. Understand? A, B, C, D and EF are the parallel lines, and if you draw a transversal L, a line L, then AC is equal to CE. Understand? If you draw one more line here, that is EFGH, then this EG is also 5. Now this theorem says, if you draw another parallel line, another transversal, then this BD is equal to D is equal to FH. Understand? If this is 7, then the second one is also 7 and the third one is also 7. That is intercept theorem. Intercept theorem. Understand? Right. Three lines are there. Draw these three lines. Right here PQR, PQR, and another transversal points are LMN. Right. If PQ equal to QR, then only we can say that LM is equal to MN. Right. If PQ is equal to QR, then LM is equal to MN. This is intercept theorem. Write one question. Draw a line, three lines. Draw like this. Mark A, B, C, D, E, F. Right. Question. If AC is equal to 8, right? If AC is equal to 8, what is CE? What is CE? Write CE and put a dash. Then my next question. If BD is equal to 6, what is DF? What is DF? Look at the question. AC is equal to 8. This portion is 8. Your question is, what is C? What is C? C is also 8. Understand? Then BD is equal to 6. BD equal to 6. What is DF? DF is also 6. Or can you say what is BF? BF. BF means this total distance, 6 plus 6. What is that? 12. This is intercept theorem. Write one question. Draw the figure. Right, in the question itself, BC is equal to 7. D is equal to 5. HI is equal to 10. Mark that question, the figure itself. HI equal to 10. My question. Write the question. What is AB? Look at the figure and say the answer. What is AB? This much distance. AB is also 7. Isn't it? AB is also 7. If D is equal to 5, my question, what is EF? EF. EF is also 5, right? EF is also 5. Then, if HI is equal to 10, what is GH? GH is also 10. In all these cases, write in by intercept theorem. Intercept theorem. Write the reason, intercept theorem. Okay. Copy this. Then, next question from your textbook, first question. Use the following figure to find. I will draw the figure. First you draw 3 parallel lines. 1, 2, 3. Right, draw one transversal like this. And name it as A here, B here, C, top, C, ABC. Then draw another transversal in this way. C, here D, and here this is E. Okay. Now, do another transversal in this way. These are parallel lines. That is very important. Then only you can write this. 3 parallel lines. And mark these points as G, F, and this corner is E. Finish? Write the question. Find BC. BC, we can do one by one. BC, if AB equal to 7.2. If AB equal to 7.2, right? What is BC? What is BC? What's the answer? That is also 7.2. This side is 7.2 means the other half is also 7.2. Now we know that this B is the midpoint. Then only we can say that these two are equal, isn't it? First answer AB is equal to 7.2. Got it? Okay. Then FE is equal to 4. FE is equal to 4. Find GE, right? FE is equal to 4. Find GE. FE is equal to 4. Find GE. FE means this is 4. Then can you say what is GF? Right? GF first. GF is also 4. GF is also 4. Then what is GE? Look here. GE is equal to 4 plus 4. What is GE? GE is equal to 8. Got it? G is equal to 8. Then, next question. Find AE. Find AE if BD equal to 4.1. Look here. If BD means this line. BD equal to 4.1. What is AE? Look at the figure, then only you can understand. Look here. We know that this B and D are midpoints, isn't it? AB equal to 7.2 and BC equal to 7.2 means this is the midpoint. Same way, if this is X, then this side is also X. Therefore, D is the midpoint. By intercept theorem, D becomes the midpoint. Therefore, B and D are the midpoints and this AE parallel to BD, isn't it? And what is midpoint theorem says? AE is double of BD. Therefore, can you say what is AE? A is equal to 8.2. This is 4.1. Therefore, the larger line is 8.2, right? 8.2. Understand? That is by midpoint theorem, not by intercept theorem. That reason you have to write midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. Understand? Then, one more part. Find DF. Find DF. If CG equal to 11. CG means this bigger line, larger line, isn't it? That is 11. Our question is, what is this DF? DF is half of CG. Agree? What is 11 by 2? 5.5. Right. DF is equal to 5.5. 5.5. Half of 11. Here we apply both intercept theorem and midpoint theorem. I will explain one more question. Listen. Okay. Draw 3 lines, 3 parallel lines. Draw a transversal. Second transversal. Then the third transversal. A, B, C. Agree? A, D, E, F, G. What's the condition? These 3 are parallel lines. That is very important. And how many transversals are here? This is the first transversal, this is the second transversal, and this is the third one. Look here. If AB equal to 4, AB equal to 4, can you say what is BC? Say the answer loudly. BC is also, I can hear. BC is equal to 4. Understand? By which theorem? Midpoint theorem or intercept theorem? Intercept theorem. Agree. Okay. Now, AD is equal to 3. AD equal to 3. Then can you say what is D? D is also 3. Agree. D is also 3. Are you writing all this? AD is equal to 3. Then D is also 3. Then one more. Suppose the total length GE is 10. GE is 10. Can you say what is GF? 5. And this is also 5. All these 3 questions by which property? By intercept theorem. By intercept theorem. Then 2 more parts. Listen. Now we know that this B and D are the midpoints. D and F are the midpoints. Okay. Now, if BD equal to 10, my question, BD equal to 10, can you say what is CE? CE is 20. This is the larger line. This is the smaller line. Larger line is double. Therefore 10. Therefore this is 20. Now listen. Suppose this what is that? AG is equal to 12. AG is equal to 12. Then can you say what is this DF? DF is equal to 6. These 2 are, the last 2 are by midpoint theorem, and the first 3 are by intercept theorem. Therefore, we finish this chapter. Only study the problems like this type. Okay, that midpoint theorem, that problems also important. Very simple chapter, study well. Okay, God bless you.